Look what you made me do.
Okay, so this is TheDuttyBerry and I'm going to be talking about Taylor Swift's Look What You Made Me Do music video that premiered on the MTV Video Music Awards.
I don't like your...
To be honest, this video actually looks like it should be out on Halloween. I don't know. She talked about the fact that she has a list of names and that some of these people's names are in red underline. Is that, you know, karma comes around and she's waiting for their own karma to take them.
I got a list of names and yours is in red underlined.
Now, just in case you might not remember, Kim Kardashian and Taylor Swift slash Kanye West were at odds over the past year after Kim Kardashian posted the video on social media, basically outing Taylor Swift as a liar for not admitting that Kanye West did ask her permission to use content for his music video.
And I really appreciate you telling me about it. That's really nice.
I feel like me and Taylor might still have sex.
So since then, the entire social media has been calling Taylor Swift a snake, a backbiter, a two-timer, a hypocrite, and Taylor Swift has now owned that name and I guess, you know, decided to put it into song. At one point in the music video, Taylor Swift admits that she doesn't trust anyone and that no one trusts her.
I don't trust nobody and nobody trusts me.
She basically mentioned that the old Taylor Swift is dead. She hasn't been posting anything on social media for the past year, and I guess this new Taylor Swift is a rebirth. I know to the Katy Perry shade, it was quite interesting while watching the performance that she made a job in the music video when she stormed into the room and the dancers sort of came to her support, and then at some point they revealed that they were no Taylor Swift fans, because some time ago it was alleged that Taylor Swift stole Katy Perry's dancers, and yeah, that is how they decided to have beef and bad blood.
Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do.
And to me, the most epic part of the video was the closing scene where Taylor Swift basically had a conversation with different parts of herself, different forms of herself throughout her career. And yeah, there were references to Kim Kardashian and yeah.
Guys! Stop making that surprise face, it's so annoying. Yeah, you can't possibly be that surprised all the time.
So that is it, people. Let me know what you thought about Taylor Swift's new music video, Look What You Made Me Do. Do you think that the video was epic? Was the video fun? Do you like the lyrics in the song? Do you think that she was definitely throwing shade at Kim Kardashian, Kanye West, and Katy Perry? If you did, please comment below. If you didn't, also comment. Thank you, people, and yeah, I guess Swoosh by Katy Perry is a reaction video to this song. I don't know.